In this section, we will see the linear perceptron as neurons. So, as we are talking about machine learning, in machine learning, the perceptron is an algorithm for supervised learning of binary classifiers. Now we have seen that the machine learning is dependent on supervised, unsupervised reinforcement algorithm. So when we are talking about the supervised learning, so perceptron is an algorithm for supervised learning of binary classifiers. This algorithm enables the neurons to learn and process elements in the training set one at a time. So what this algorithm is doing, this algorithm enables the neurons and how that they should be able to learn, and after learning they should be able to process the elements in the training set one at a time. So the binary classifier is a function which can decide whether or not an input represented by the vector of numbers belongs to the some specific class or not. So as I said that perceptron is an algorithm for supervised learning of binary classifiers. So what is binary classifier? It is a function which decides the input is represented by the vector of numbers that belongs to the specific class or not. It is a type of linear classifier, that is classification algorithm makes the predictions which are based on linear prediction function combining the set of weights with the feature vector, means they are combining the set of all the weights. Single layer perceptron are only capable of learning linearly separable perceptrons. Actually, there are two types of perceptrons, that is the single layer and the multi-layer. So single layer perceptrons are only capable of learning linearly separable patterns. For a classification task with some step activation function, a single node will have a single line dividing the data points forming the patterns. More nodes can create more dividing lines. Now as I said that for classification task we are using the activation function so that the single line is dividing the data points so that we can form the patterns. So more nodes can create more dividing lines so that we can form the various patterns, but those lines must somehow be combined to form the complex classifications. And the second layer of perceptron or even linear nodes are sufficient to solve a lot of otherwise non-separable problems, means it can solve the separable problems as well as the non-separable problems. So multi-layer perceptron, this is the single layer feed forward. Now the multi-layer perceptron or feed forward neural networks are nothing but they are having the two or more layers which are having the great processing power. The perceptron algorithm learns the weights for input signals so that they can draw the linear decision boundary, and this enables us to distinguish between the separable classes, that is +1 or -1. So supervised learning is a type of machine learning which is used to learn the models from label training data, and it enables the output prediction for future or unseen data. Means what it is doing, they are trying to work on the which data they are trying to work on the future and unseen data, and for that the algorithm automatically learns the optimal weight coefficient. So the linear perceptron as neurons works on two ways, that is the single layer perceptron and the multi-layer perceptron, where we are trying to learn about the separable patterns, and that enables us to distinguish between the two linearly separable classes, that is +1 and -1. So this is all about the linear perceptrons as neurons. In our next section we will see the neural net architecture, or we can say the design of the neural net. Thank you.